So we're up in the dormer. This is the one on the Athens Street side, and it's got a unique set of architectural features. Here's one of them. It's a pretty thick piece of wood, and they went straight through with some design, and they did the same thing on the other side, and that unique bottom too. And you can see, as before, as on the other ones, we have lots of different molding right here. And then we have a cool design right here. So we spent a lot of time cleaning this off, scraping, did some caulking, and I think most of it's ready to prime, except for in here. I need to clean these out. It's just, wasn't sure what to use. I brought up a small screwdriver, kind of a long one. I'll see if I can do that, and then maybe just blow them out myself. And then painting them is going to be a real trick. I don't know if I can paint them with the screwdriver. I thought about a Q-tip, but I think it would just fall apart. So I'd like to get this primed. I also worked on the other side, scraping the roofing off. You can see right there. And then I can prime this. I might need to check it for caulking. I'm going to prime this right now. I've been already priming a little bit, so my brush is already wet. So let's do that. But you can see the cool architectural. Here is an area where they close that in to put the storm window in, but we're taking that back out. Kind of ruins the design, and then they got some cable going through right there. So that's got to come out. I'm not sure what we'll do for storm windows. Maybe we'll not even have any storm windows on the third floor. We'll see. We'll decide that later. If we do, I'll do something unique up on top there. Not sure what.